Have you ever wondered how healthcare could look in the future? Picture this, an army of tiny nanobots, your dedicated health guardians patrolling tirelessly within your body. These minuscule marvels, hundreds of times smaller than the humble red blood cell, are injected into your body and embark on a journey through your circulatory system. Armed with advanced sensors, they are your first line of defense, identifying signs of inflammation, infection, or disease at their earliest stages. They're like your personal health detectives, gathering evidence and reporting back to medical professionals without you even knowing they're there. But their mission doesn't stop at detection. When trouble strikes, these nanobots spring into action, releasing precisely measured doses of medication directly to the problem areas. Imagine a world where diseases are detected and treated before they even cause harm. That's the future of healthcare, and it's closer than you might think. Now you might be wondering, what are the benefits of these tiny machines? Well, let's dive right in. Nanobots, these microscopic marvels, are like your personal healthcare superheroes. They can deliver medication with sniper-like precision right where it's needed, making treatments more effective and reducing side effects. Imagine a world where cancer cells are taken out before they can cause harm, or allergies are stopped in their tracks. But they don't stop there. These little guys can also perform minor repairs on damaged tissues. Got a cut or bruise? Your nanobot buddies are on the job, speeding up healing and getting you back on your feet faster. And here's the real kicker. Some scientists believe that, in the future, nanobots could even help slow down or reverse aging processes. Yes, you heard that right. As one scientist puts it, nanobots hold enormous potential for preventative medicine and personalized care. The possibilities are endless and the future of healthcare looks promising. But wait, there's more. The potential of nanobots goes beyond just detecting and treating diseases. Picture this. A future where these tiny guardians are not only the medics but also the messengers, communicating with each other and a central hub in real time. Imagine a doctor's office in the palm of your hand, constantly receiving updates about your health status. These nanobots could be the ultimate health watchdogs, providing early warning systems to medical personnel about potential issues. This would enable timely interventions, preventing minor problems from spiraling into major health crises. Moreover, nanobots could redefine personalized care. By understanding your body's unique rhythms and requirements, they could tailor treatments and preventive measures to you specifically. So, get ready for a world where your health is constantly monitored and maintained by an army of nanobots. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the future of healthcare, happening right now.